Welcome to Company Showcase, an advertising feature on HowStreet.com.
I'm Jim Goddard. I'm speaking with Jim Pettit, CEO of Aben Resources. Welcome back to the show, Jim.
Thank you very much.
What kind of an update do we have from Aben Resources?
Well, we put out a news release 2 days ago now that we've started drilling. The program is basically going to run for about 2,000 meters, maybe 2,100. If we have some success along the way, it'll be longer. This should be taking us through, for the most of the month, I guess. But it is a good crew, and they are going fast, so it remains to be seen. But there's an awful lot going on up there right now. The interest in the market is pretty tremendous. Haven't seen it like this for many years.
Jim, whereabouts is the drilling?
The drilling is on the north half of the property, the Forest Kerr property in the Golden Triangle. We're starting up north and working our way south, so there's some targets that we're going to concentrate on right now. One's called the Carcass Creek, good name for a for a drill crew to walk into, and the other one's the Boundary Zone, just to the south. They're probably about 4 to 5 kilometers apart. There's a very large golden till anomaly that runs between them. Both those zones have got known historic numbers running, like in drill holes in core, running 29 meters of 10 grams in that neighborhood, and the Boundary Zone would be 10 meters, 11 meters of 30 grams. So there's some spectacular results already there historically. We've got to go in and confirm them, and let's see what the extensions look like.
Jim, for new listeners, can you tell us about Aben Resources?
Well, Aben, symbol's ABN. We're on the Venture Exchange, and we're ABN AF on the U.S., the pink sheets, and the Frankfurt Exchange E2L2. We do have a lot of interest from investors from Europe and from the United States, so it's easy to trade on those exchange. Stock, there's about 48.7 million shares out, fully issued and outstanding. Fully diluted is just close to 80. We've got 3 projects. This is the flagship, the Forest Kerr. The Golden Triangle is garnering an awful lot of attention for the summer. We've got probably a good 4 months up there, maybe 5, that we can get to work. I've got a property in Saskatchewan that's drill ready, waiting for us to. We'll head over there in the winter. And then I've also got a project in the Yukon, right next to Golden Predator. As a matter of fact, they're using our camp right now. Golden Predator is. And I've got a crew up there, just getting ready to go up and do some field work. And they're all good gold areas, and all surrounded by some, good mid-tier explorationists and gold companies. The Saskatchewan project is right on line with Silver Standard's ground that they're working on this year. They bought the Claude Resources mine for over $300 million, and we are almost tied on to their southern extent. They're putting $7 million in the ground exploring for more deposits. And then the Forest Kerr obviously is garnering a lot of attention. Everybody's kind of seen what GT Gold has done in the last week. Its valuation's gone from about $27 million to it's got to be close to $100 million now. Good discovery. That's just to our north. And now what's just been announced today is Colorado is just announcing a roughly $7 million financing, and a large portion of it's taken down by Goldcorp. They're actually tied right onto our southern boundary. So a lot of activity going on there. There's going to be, I think next week in the market will probably be pretty exciting. This is the first time we've seen a really serious area play lighting up.
Jim, how do people contact Aben Resources?
Well, you can go to the website, info@abenresources.com, and get through to us that way, or you can call the 1-800 number. It's 800-567-8181. or email Don Myers. But I would go to the website and you can get all that information right there.
Jim, thanks for the update.
Anytime. Thanks.
My guest has been Jim Pettit, CEO of Aben Resources. We were talking on August 4th. I'm Jim Goddard.
Comments made on Company Showcase are an expression of opinion only and should not be construed in any manner whatsoever as recommendations to buy or sell any financial instrument at any time. Archived online at HowStreet.com. Company Showcase is a production of How Street Media Incorporated.